Comet is an AI-powered browser from the makers of Perplexity. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, the new tab page is essentially new chat on Perplexity. If I want to search for anything here at the top, I can go with, let me go with the meaning of life. And if I click enter, as you can see, it's going to open up a new Perplexity chat with essentially the answers from Perplexity as a large language model, as opposed to any sort of Google searches. Now, I think this is really cool. I usually use Brave browser, but I think Comet is going to be my new primary browser. You've also got the assistant here, which I think is really cool. So the assistant is essentially like Perplexity in a sidebar. I've covered tools like this before on this channel that allow you to essentially ask questions to Perplexity, the large language model, whilst retaining the context of whatever's on the page you're looking at. So let's say I go to wikipedia.org and then I say, let's say I open up the assistant and I say, what languages or let's say what languages are supported on Wikipedia. Now, I don't necessarily need to be on this page for that, but as you can see, it's identified this page that I'm on as the source, and then we've got the answers there. So yeah, really interesting browser. There's a whole lot of cool things you can do with it. It's also a great way to actually make sure you can retrieve any information that you would have seen on a web.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Website, so it also scans for that and can easily present that back to you. Of course, there are a lot of times when you're searching the internet and then there's a piece of information you see, and then in about 5 or 10 minutes later, let's say you've closed the tab and it's very difficult to find, which can be quite frustrating. So yeah, you've got even your library of things you've looked for before, which is really interesting. You can open things in a new sort of like tab very easily. And yeah, this browser looks to be like it looks to be really useful. It looks like it's Chromium-based as well. So you've got all your extensions. You can still have access to all your extensions on Google Chrome, or if you're using Brave like I am or used to be, then yeah, you can easily import all of those and get that cracking. But there's a whole lot of things you can do on this new sort of browser from Perplexity. I think it's a great step in the right direction. AI-powered browsers are certainly the future, and yeah, definitely check this out and see if it's going to be valuable for you. It's completely free. I haven't had to pay anything for this, so yeah, definitely worth checking out. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.